Hi friends, welcome back to Wanderlust channel. In this video we are going through some of the tourist places in Vagabond which I visited during my one-day tour. So let's get started. From Thodupuja we can go to Vagabond via Kanjar or via Mula Madam. We took the Kanjar route and on the way there are many viewpoints to look down the valley. Here is the visuals from one of them. If we are going via Mula Madam route, there is a Lapali waterfall which will be beautiful in monsoon season. See the visuals from my previous trip. Our next stop after the viewpoint is called Srilakshmipura, which is near to the S curve or S Valavu, which is also known as Jambana Valavu or Kiss curve, on the way to Vagabond. There is no signboard or proper way to the viewpoint as it is less known, but you can find it without much hustle. After S curve we need to stop the vehicle and walk to the left side of the road when we are going towards Vagabond. We need to walk around 250 to 400 meters to reach the spot. This rock is called Srilakshmipura. The surrounding views from here are awesome. If it is monsoon season, the surroundings will be more green. While going back we went and see the overview of the S Valavu from the top. We can see the famous tourist destination Alikal Kalu from here. It will take an hour to reach Vagabond from Kanjar via Palikanam route. The famous Isla Vija Panjira is also in between, which requires a jeep ride to reach the place. We will do a separate video on that later. Since we are traveling on after winter and before summer, the greenery is not there as in monsoon. Now we have reached Vagabond, and the first stop is Vagabond Lake. This is featured in many movies, and the house and tea estates surrounded make it beautiful. The entry fee is 100 rupees, which includes the pedal boating in the lake. Next stop is Vagabond Kurisamala. This is a Christian pilgrimage and also a good trekking spot. The hike starts at Kurisamala base. As you trek up, there are 14 crosses, known as Way of the Cross, at regular intervals on the hill. There is a small church on top. We have to climb the hill for about 1.5 kilometers to reach the top. There are no steps to climb the rocks. The trek is a bit hard and is not for those with health problems. But the view from the top is unbeatable. The cool breeze atop will take away all the tiredness. Near the hills there is an ashramam, home of Christian monks, and a dairy farm managed by the monks. The place is frequented by tourists all through the year. On Good Friday and Easter season, many followers do the trek up Gurusamala carrying wooden cross as a pilgrimage. There is Mirigan Mala or Mirigan Hill and Thongalpar nearby. We can trek them as well. We will cover the remaining places in the next video, so wait for it. I will add links in the above cards and in the description once it is ready. Stay tuned. My travel companion in this video is Amal Tom, who is a photographer. I will add his Insta link in the description so that you can visit his profile if you like. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit like button if you like the video. Subscribe to channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next.